if I couldn't find you right away? Are you here? Are you here? Or are you lost somewhere inside? 'Cause I am here. Yes, I am here to help you when you decide to be what you long to be. As I persisted through these lands, desert seas, and fallen trees, a lonely place with tourists so few. I saw them running, they were running from you. And I feel like I could just die today if I couldn't find you right away. Are you here? Are you here? Or are you lost somewhere inside? 'Cause I am here. Yes, I am here to help you when you decide to be what you long to be. To be. Be what you long to be. Be what you long to be. Be what you long to be. Be what you long.
Opportunities are all around us. We recognize a need, we discover a challenge, we see a problem that needs to be solved.
Communication is an imperative part of everyone's life, and people that are robbed or never have good communication or the ability to speak, are impaired in a lot of different situations in society today.
Each year, more than 500,000 people are diagnosed with speech-related conditions: autism, stroke, degenerative disease. Many need help to communicate, to express who they are, what they want.
Being able to communicate is being human, and the ability to be able to do that is just everyone's right.
Dynavox is committed to helping people that cannot speak and those that cannot communicate. We want to give them a voice.
I'm Sarah. I have been using a Dynavox for 12 years now. I have a degree in rehabilitation services. I am working on a novel that I hope to someday get published.
After people start using devices for communication, it becomes an extension of their own personality, and they want to fit in just like everybody else.
I think the biggest change in Evan's life has been at school. The kids can get to know him through the device.
They don't always have access to things we take for granted, like surfing the web or turning the lights on and off.
French fry.
Anything that lets us get to the wider world is a big win.
Winning together means bringing a voice and communication to every individual who is locked in, to be able to have them communicate with their family and their kids.
And so, we work to create a solution, and our work changes lives each and every day.
The device has changed my life because when Evan used to come home from school, he would just throw his stuff on the ground and, run around. Now he comes in, he turns on his device, and he tells me what he did that day at school.
Do I have to take a bath tonight?
Yes, you do.
I've witnessed people say I love you for the very first time. For a mom to hear her child say that for the very first time is very emotional. Those are the experiences that I'll remember forever.
We see the opportunities. We recognize the challenges. We create the solutions together. And together, we are winning.
I used to rule the world, see it rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone, sweet streets I used to run. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing. And now the old king is dead, long live the king. 1 minute I held the key, next the walls closed down on me. I discovered that my castle stands upon perils of salt and perils of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry cries are singing. Be my mirror, my soul, my shield, my missionaries on a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter will call my name. It wasn't on this world, but that was when I ruled the world. It was the wicked and wild wind that pushed the door to let me in. Shattered glasses and the sounds of drums. Oh, people couldn't believe what I'd become revolutionary days. People saw my head on a silver plate. I don't know, but I'll rule the world, and that was when I ruled the world. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry cries singing. Be my mirror, my soul, my shield, my missionary.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome John Roskell.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to WPC 2011, Day 2. How's everyone doing? All right, expect I woke you up a little bit. Dynavox, another fantastic partner story about winning together. Like the Japan story we heard yesterday, sometimes winning together is more than just about winning in business. Sometimes it's about enabling potential, sometimes it's about changing the world. And Dynavox is an example of both. I'd like to say thank you to Tina Guo, our cellist, just off an appearance with the London Symphony Orchestra, and Alison Hirahata. Yep, we can talk. Tina Guo. Alison Hirahata, the singer, was an American Idol finalist. And yeah, great energy there. Very exciting to start the show that day. I feel very privileged to be able to work with people like that. I also have a bit of news hot off the press to share with you this morning. Right here, the mayor of Los Angeles has declared it the Microsoft Partner Week of Los Angeles. Here's the proclamation. Can we show that? WPC 2011 is the biggest show. It's going to happen in LA this year. So big thanks to all of you for joining in. That's a big achievement. Obviously, lots and lots of things happen in LA every year. So for us to be the biggest is pretty cool. All right, yesterday's keynote set the stage for today. Yesterday, we heard Steve Ballmer talk about the future and how that future we've talked about for the last 2 years is happening right now. Then Tammy Reller came out and talked to us about the opportunity with Windows 7 and the successes that partners are seeing right now, and then talked about the opportunity and how that sets us up for Windows 8. We celebrated the new Innovation Awards with partners. We had a fantastic awards lunch. We then went to the business model value keynotes, and throughout the entire day, we celebrated partner success. Now, last year, we introduced major program changes to MPN. We introduced a program based around competencies. We asked you to embrace MPN, and you responded. Competencies and industry specialization are about differentiation. Customers want solutions. Partners want to highlight their capabilities and their industry insight. The new MPN was built to do that. Over 6,000 partners gained more than 8,000 competencies last year. So let's have a hand for all the gold partners out there. I know many of you are here in the room. And over 14,000 silver partners attained more than 31,000 competencies last year. So again, let's have a hand for the silver partners. Over 20,000 of you have taken advantage of our cloud programs, Cloud Essentials and Cloud Accelerate.